Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put digital creator on Facebook profile. Although it is available in your Instagram profile, but in the Facebook profile only some the chosen page or chosen profile have this option to put a digital creator, right? So you can just check this out whether you have that feature available or not. So just go to your Facebook here, and once you are in your Facebook, so guys, you have to tap on the top three lines here. Once you tap on it, you have to go to the settings. So you have to just go to the here in the bottom, you will find this option help and support. Then just tap on it and you will get this option of help center. Just when you tap on it, it will just get load. Sometimes it take a little bit of time. And here in the search bar, you have to type digital creator, right? And just search for it. You can see there's another option, that digital creator profile. So guys, if you are not able to find access creator support from Facebook, then we have to just erase this and you have to type access. And once you type it, you will get this option of access creator support for Facebook. So just tap on it, and here you can see this feature is only available to some people right now. So it is still in the testing phase. So once it get tested, it will be available for everyone. So if you don't have this feature, don't worry, in just few months you will get this feature over your profile, then you will able to add. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and like this video.